we are. 2 years ago.
Has it been that long?
2 hard years, I will tell you.
This has been quite the project. The Lakehouse in Sand Springs.
I cried more than once. But here we are. Look at
Yes.
I made it through it. I came onto the other side somehow.
And it's an incredible finish, babe. It looks so good.
Oh, thank you.
You don't have to be here to see it. It's just absolutely stunning.
I can see that it's really pretty and I'm really happy how it turned out, but I still feel like I have the filth like on me in a backpack. You know, like I need a few weeks, a few months to kind of really gather that it's
done.
It's done
Finished.
And it works and it's just really pretty. And
yeah.
So we designed to detail so many aspects of this house, which is not what you do with a flip. That's not how you make money. That's not how you turn it over fast.
Right.
But look how pretty it is. The blue and white tile, the marble floors, custom vanities.
What I love about it is all the mixed metals.
Yeah.
You mixed metals really well.
Jean Stouffer.
Okay.
I saw her do that, so I was like, I'm going to do it. So I also made it kind of like a beach Nantucket looking house because I wanted a beach house, but I don't have one. So I was like, okay, we call it Lake Beach House.
Lake Beach House, okay.
There it is, y'all.
Oh, I think I come back to it.
Number 1 feature. Oh, yeah. Oh,
we're going to come back to it after the rooms.
Bedroom upstairs. We got 4 bedrooms. Oh, I love this hexagon blue tile on the floor. That's my favorite. So we got double herringbone on the wall. It's one of the bedrooms. We made it smaller to put a powder bath. Not a powder bath. What's it called? A toilet in a closet?
Toilet in a closet, basically.
I forget what it's
in
called.
the master.
Yeah, that right
It's
there on the left.
Punch out right here. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what Zoe wanted.
Yeah.
Marble inlay inside that little
Check
nook
out
there.
dual showers.
Dual shower heads. This
Dual shower
massive
heads.
soaking tub.
Yeah.
Dual vanities, and I left room in here to put a vanity. I don't think he grabs it, but right by that window there's a blank space for a vanity and a mirror.
Yeah.
There's a fireplace.
Oh, I didn't get the fireplace.
It's okay. Oh, here we are. You sped up to the important stuff. Here's did you get it? It's a wet bar that's also basically a fridge.
Right.
I mean a refrigerator.
On the corner there.
A kitchen. There's a
Kitchenette?
fridge in there. Yes, it's a kitchen that has a dishwasher, almost full-size refrigerator. This was out basically in converted deck. This is a massive game room.
Yes.
With stunning views as well. Are we going to go outside?
Yeah. We're going to see a little bit of pictures as well from the exterior.
Here it
Look at those
is.
fans.
You know, in person, forget the fans. Look at the view. In person, the view is so much better.
It is.
I mean,
a lot
it
better
is
in
just in the
person.
sunsets because you're facing west.
Some exterior photos a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
There it is.
We are ready. It's
The
done.
Lake Beach House.
Great job, man.